Not only does she vacuum, but she's getting ready to learn how to cook. What do you have there, honey? Just imagine that with some pasta in there. Stir up that spaghetti sauce. Yummy. Oh, I need 2 utensils to make it nice and thick. Gotta go check on the noodles again. Oh, you need more dishes, don't you? Oh, she needs more. Okay, let's say bye-bye for now.